Ever wondered what an octopus tastes like? Well, we might just answer that today. But hey, don't just take my word for it. Let me show you. Hi, I'm here to introduce you to our YouTube channel, Randomly Spectacular. We love making weird and wonderful videos that are hopefully educational too. Now back to the animal that inspired this whole venture. Octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood. Now, you might be sitting there thinking, wait, I thought all animals have 1 heart and red blood. That's true for all animals except the ones that don't. It's actually pretty common for animals to have different colored blood depending on what metal their hemoglobin is bound to. Most animals have iron in their blood, which gives it that bright red color. But some animals, like octopus and other cephalopods, have copper in their blood, which gives it a blue hue. Having blue blood isn't necessarily good or bad, but it does mean that they need a different type of heart to pump that blood around their body. Most animals only have 1 heart. An octopus has 3. 2 branchial hearts that pump blood through their gills, and 1 systemic heart that pumps oxygenated blood to the rest of the body. Kinda makes you wonder why they even need those 2 branchial hearts, since the systemic heart is doing all the work. But having 3 hearts comes with its own set of problems. If any one of those hearts stops working, the octopus perishes. Well, scientists think it has something to do with living underwater. As you probably already know, sunlight doesn't penetrate very far into the ocean, meaning that most aquatic animals live in dark environments. Copper tends to reflect blue light better than iron, making it easier for camouflage. Also, copper allows for more efficient transport of oxygen throughout the body, which is important for fast-moving prey like octopus. So basically, having blue blood is a pretty advantageous trait for any underwater creature to have, so long as they can find enough copper in their diet. But how exactly do you get copper in your diet? Well, by eating other animals, of course. Octopuses don't have traditional taste buds, but they do have a highly developed sense of smell. And when they smell the scent of an animal they want to eat, they release a special chemical into their saliva that paralyzes the animal. Then they simply wait until the prey stops moving, suck it up, and swallow it whole. Sounds easy. Speaking of taste, let's take a moment to discuss the flavor of octopus. People who have eaten octopus say it tastes a lot like a really lean protein, kind of like chicken. But since they have little to no fat, cooking them properly is super important. Otherwise, they can be pretty tough to chew. For that reason, many cultures around the world have developed unique ways of preparing octopus, including boiling, grilling, braising, and frying. One thing's for certain, though, an octopus won't taste good unless it's fresh. So if you see a can of octopus in the grocery store, steer clear. And now for the part of the video you've all been waiting for. Hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to receive notifications every time we upload a new video. And make sure you like the video and leave us a comment, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.